Weddings, graduations and new babies galore. Here at Altenew we love celebrating new beginnings. And today we have compiled some very special card making tutorials featuring just that. Come along with us as we go through some of our design team's best celebration projects. A wedding card with Altenew peony scrolls. Do you have a wedding coming up that you need to create a card for? Join the amazing Marika as she shows us how we can create a beautiful wedding card using the Altenew peony scrolls. She shows us how we can create this beautiful yet simple design using alcohol marker colouring. Altenew Bold Alpha Baby Card. Nothing is more exciting than a new life being added to the family. Join the amazing Therese as she shows us how we can create this beautiful baby card. Just by changing up the colours we can change this for all different types of gender, be that yellows, blues or even pinks. Unique graduation card ideas. Do you have a graduation coming up in the family soon? Join the amazing Nicole as she shows us how we can take a different look on graduation cards. She shows us how we can use pre-made patterns using pattern papers or washi tape to add a beautiful touch to these cards. How to create simple mixed media spring themed cards. Here at Altenew we believe that spring is a new beginning too. Join the lovely Nathalie as she shows us how we can create beautiful and breathtaking spring themed cards in this wonderful video. DIY New Year card with bold colour combination. And one of the biggest new beginnings of all is the beginning of a new year. Join the amazing May as she shows us how we can create beautiful, show-stopping designs using bold colour combinations that celebrate the new year. Just by changing up the year on this card, you can use this design for years to come. And that concludes our special celebration highlight of New Beginnings projects. Let us know your favourites in the comments below. We can't wait to continue celebrating new beginnings with you in the years to come.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!